If you're considering the purchase of an ERGOSA Packer, you're probably debating between the ERGOSA A and C. And what is their main difference? The ERGOSA C offers an additional mode, that is the vertical mode. In this short video, I will explain to you what the ERGOSA vertical mode is, how it works, and what benefits it can bring to your packing process. The ERGOSA offers three main packing modes: the horizontal mode, the pick-and-place mode, and the vertical mode. It is one of the only semi-automatic packers that exist to date on the market. By the end of this video, you'll know all about the ERGOSA's vertical mode, what it is, what boxes it's best suited for, and if it's the right choice for your production. What is the ERGOSA's vertical mode? As we mentioned before, there are two different versions of the ERGOSA. While the ERGOSA A is the newer and more economical version, the ERGOSA C is more advanced and versatile. It offers more configurations, features, and benefits. The vertical mode is one of those extra features. It provides an ergonomic and high-performance solution for handling 4/6 corners, large and heavy straight lines, and boxes with complex shapes. The vertical mode uses the per pack module, and it allows you to pack a full row of boxes in one single motion. It also reduces the number of staff and can increase the packing speed to over 80,000 boxes per hour. The vertical mode is optional, and you do not need to purchase it if your production doesn't need it. However, if your production evolves and your ERGOSA C requires another packing mode, you can just add it. It's as simple as plug and play. What boxes is the vertical mode best suited for? The vertical mode is mainly intended for three types of boxes: 4/6 corners, straight line boxes, and crash lock boxes. First, let's talk about 4/6 corners. The design of the vertical mode allows you to process both overstacked and understacked boxes shingles without having to rotate them in a box turner. It allows you to pack a full row of boxes in one single motion. Now let's talk about straight line boxes. If you run large and heavy straight line boxes, or your boxes are made of corrugated cardboard, such as bag-in-box, then the vertical mode is the perfect fit for you. The larger and heavier your boxes are, the more difficult it becomes to handle them. The vertical mode optimizes your staff's efficiency, improves ergonomy, and maximizes your folded gluer's productivity. Finally, crash lock boxes. If you're running a lot of crash lock boxes, pairing the ERGOSA C with the MFA batch inverting module will be the perfect solution for you. This will allow you to invert your batches fully automatically and produce those complex boxes faster with the shortest setup time. To learn about the vertical packing process, its packing configurations, and the dimensions of the box that can be processed this way, check out the article below where you'll find a detailed list with all the specs. Do you really need the ERGOSA C's vertical mode? As you already know, the vertical mode is optional. So before you commit to a decision, you should examine your current production. If 4/6 corners and large and heavy straight line boxes represent more than 25% of your production, then the vertical mode is right for you. If you aren't currently producing these kinds of boxes, you must ask yourself a couple of questions. Do you want to produce more with less staff or increase your output with shorter setup time? Will the gains generated by the vertical mode be sufficient to justify investing in it? On the other hand, if you're interested in the vertical mode, due to its ergonomic feature, you should ask yourself, what is ergonomics worth for your company? And how do you determine the gains achieved from it? Lastly, it is also important to think about how you see your production evolving in the next few years. Choosing the right packing mode is fundamental to ensuring that you boost your productivity and achieve top packing speeds. If you have questions that are specific to your company or you want to see the ERGOSA live in action, we'll be happy to help. Reach out to us today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.